Ahoy, mateys! I hope you just had fun singing with me and pretending to be a pirate aboard a ship on the high seas. I thought I would just show you how easy it is to make a pirate costume, because I know a lot of you like to play with the dress-ups that we have at school. And since we're not there, it might be fun to turn into a pirate this week at home using things that you can just find easily around your house. So, if you're interested in dressing like a pirate, here's all you need to do. First, just find your favorite shirt and any old pair of pirate pants, and then maybe your mom has a scarf or you have something that you could tie around your waist. And then to make an eye patch, all I did was I cut out a piece of black paper, and then I took one of the laces out of my shoe and put it through 2 holes punched in the patch, tied it around my head. And for a pirate hat, I just took a small friend's t-shirt and wrapped it around my head and fastened it with one of my daughter's hair ties. But you could also use a bandana or any cool hat that you have around the house. So if you do end up deciding to dress like a pirate this week, send me a picture. I'd love to see it.